You're watching another Playmo AF unboxing and review video. Today we're taking a look at Playmobil set number 70880, The Graduate. This is new for 2022, and I gotta tell you guys, Playmobil has done a fantastic job with their products this year. There have been so many great clickies and sets released, and they only seem to get better and better as the months progress. This one is no exception. I'm really looking forward to seeing it out of the box. Whomever is in charge of all the creative designs and ideas at Playmobil are absolutely killing it, so props to Playmobil for their continuous brilliant creations and marketing. Right now we're taking a look at a young man in his cap and gown holding what could be a high school diploma, maybe a degree from an educational institution. Honestly, if you look carefully at the background there's a awfully nice looking building here. That leads me to believe this is a college graduate, which is pretty cool because I wouldn't have expected a high school graduate to have champagne or wine in a bucket like that. Of course, I'm just figuring this out as I'm looking at it. But anyway, we have a really nice image out here on the front with the Special Plus logo towards the left of the box. Over to the far left of the box, we have the barcode. The other side is a continuation of the front image. Also, it has, this is kind of new, but if you look at it, you can see that there's a female face pictured in the center there. I wonder if this means there's another hairpiece, so the figures are interchangeable, which would be really cool. The top has the country of manufacture. The bottom has some of the choking hazards. The back has more of the choking hazards, and it answers my question. It has all the pictures, all the pieces photographed individually, including the extra hairpiece. So let's go ahead and crack this baby open and see what's inside. So we have the boy figure, and as you can see, his sleeves are for the gown, and then he has his cap, graduation cap, nicely molded here, and here's his tassel, and it's great that it's blue and gold because my colors from my high school were blue and gold. I went to Robert E. Lee High School in Northern Virginia, and it has recently been renamed to Robert Lewis High School after the civil rights champion, among other things there. So here's his champagne glass, and this little orange dome here, whoops, this little piece right here is actually the drink. Pop that in, and it's in. Now this piece right here goes around the champagne bottle. It's just like, you know, a rag or something to help keep the champagne bottle from bleeding, so to speak, the moisture from the bucket of ice. Here's his microphone and the microphone clip that will go into the stand that will open up. Let us go ahead and put him in the gown. I think I keep bringing the toys out of the picture here. It's kind of hard to do when you can't see what you're doing. And then, voila, that is on. That is cool. I like it. Again, here's the female hair. I'm gonna put that aside. All right, so we're opening up the table and the champagne arrangement here. Very nice. It's supposed to look like it's a table draped by a cloth, because you got the wrinkles here at the bottom. And then the bucket, of course the bucket has, oh, it doesn't have a handle. Alright, and the wine does not have a sticker. Did not expect that. But that's okay, because we have this little doohickey to go around it, like that. Just put it right there. Then the dude is holding his graduation slip. That's what we're going to call it for right now. And let me get these pieces of the microphone out. Looks like he's got a boom mic. I thought it'd be kind of interesting if they had included maybe a podium. So we have the mic is on the tripod. Here's the 3 legs. Here's the base, the arm, and then we have the microphone clip and the microphone. Just like that. And then, look at this. There's a little blue ribbon here. See, there's a little hole right here. And that's where the little blue ribbon goes. So everything kind of matches. Consistency is key with Playmobil. That's why I like these so much. And the microphone easily folds up, comes back out. Really cool feature here, but I think the figure is the best part of this whole thing. I mean, that's the whole point of it. Let's move that champagne over to the side. There's our champagne bottle, or champagne glass, and there we go. I was so tempted to buy 2 of these just so I could have a male and female, but I really appreciate Playmobil for adding another hairpiece. The one thing I kind of wish, it's just a little nitpick, but the tassel just kind of stays right there on the top. In real life, the tassel would be hanging over the cap, and I think they could have done something to get away with that. Of course, they wouldn't be able to make it so that you could move the tassels from the left to the right, like in graduation. You officially graduate by moving the tassel to the right, just before you end up throwing the cap up into the air. But that's just me. Again, I know it's just a toy, but you know, if you went all out for this, I mean, a minor detail like that, it could have been done, I think. But yeah, this is a really fun figure. I have to say, this is probably one of my favorites right now. Until I get the new DJ, which is coming soon. So keep an eye out for that unboxing video. But guys, do you have this one? And what do you have? Do you have the boy or the girl? Which one did you prefer? Guess I'll use the girl hair for as a spare on a girl figure that needs hair. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Check us out on Instagram. We are at PlaymoAF. And then subscribe to us if you haven't. Leave a comment below, and we will see you on the next video right here on PlaymoAF. Everyone, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.